Today I want to share with you 5 tips for getting the most out of attending an event that you've already invested time and money to go to. Number 1, create your mission. Know exactly what you want to walk away with. I suggest you keep it to around 3. Stay focused, aim to get that information as early as possible in your day, then anything else will be a bonus and you'll feel even more energized and relaxed. Number 2, showcase your mind. Instead of talking at people, ask questions to gain understanding and insight into how the other person thinks. Even if you know the answers, questions demonstrate an inquisitive mind and you invite the other person fully into the conversation. And if you're attending a workshop, well, what a great opportunity to solicit opinions and ideas from so many experts in the room. Plus, asking questions shows you're listening and interested, and that always makes us feel good. In fact, it draws people towards us. Number 3, conquer your shyness. How can you get outside of yourself? Well, doing the 2 things I've already mentioned, creating your mission and showcasing your mind by asking questions, can help you feel less self-conscious. If you find events like this draining, take regular breaks to keep up your energy and keep the headaches away. Eat small amounts frequently and stay hydrated. Get some fresh air or find a quiet corner and people watch. This is great for regaining perspective and collecting your thoughts. Number 4, be your best self. Leave little gifts everywhere. Relax and help anyone who looks flustered. Make your excuses politely if you want to move on from a conversation because you've spotted an opportunity to connect with someone else. It's okay to say, "Please excuse me, I've just seen someone I've come here specifically to meet. Enjoy the rest of the event." It's truthful, polite, and they'll get it. Number 5, smile and connect. Smile. Smiling makes you approachable and communicates confidence. Bring your humanity into the dynamic and demonstrate what you're about, who you are, and what you stand for. You're more memorable that way.